Hi, I'm Dr. Maureen Allem from Skin Renewal, and today we're going to discuss acne scars.
At Skin Renewal, we combine doctor-led care, cutting-edge technology, and a holistic approach to deliver personalized solutions that truly transform your skin. Just what you need right now.
So, very often we get patients coming in and they want some form of treatment for their acne scars, and they've heard of Subcision. But just with experience, I've realized that it's very difficult to actually treat the scars properly if you haven't softened those scars with a treatment. So what we do is we send you for one or two, preferably two Pico-fractional lasers, because what that does, it's got no heat. We can treat all skin types, and what happens, the laser, which comes at the speed of light, so 10 to the minus 12, produces no heat on the epidermis, but everything in its way, it just chops up, whether it's a melanin pigment, a big blob of melanin pigment, or if it's like acne scarring, which is almost like an iceberg. It doesn't look too bad on the top, but once you actually try and release those fibrous bands, bringing that scar down, it is almost impossible to get your special needle in, called a no-core needle. It's almost impossible to get that needle in to break up those fibrous bands. So a new treatment, Skin Renewal for acne scars, would be two Pico-fractional treatments. You'd space them one a month, and then after like 2-3 months you come back, and then we'll have much more success at releasing those underlying fibrous bands of acne scars. So that's the one treatment that we have. And then we can also do the exact same thing. Instead of just doing the Subcision, we can send you for RF microneedling, which is better for acne scars than the normal microneedling, which you would need 6 to 8 to 10 treatments to get an improvement. The RF microneedling comes with heat, so that heat breaks up the scars and stimulates collagen. So we have many treatments available at Skin Renewal for acne scars, but a big one I'd say would be the Pico-fractional, and then you come for your Subcision of your acne scars. Almost impossible to treat those acne scars without softening them with some form of treatment, and we're so privileged to have the Pico-fractional lasers.